Waba Ediba Xposed GH. Yes, no Ghana and beyond. I MP no say Parliament House. Now Mamia Oye MP or Member of Parliament. Mame Adwoa Safo, Sarah Adwoa Safo. Na ebebrebe baya otu efri Ghana akotina abrochimem. I know akotina abrochimem no for the past months or getting to years now on reporting to Parliament. Na abaye ensem bebre na ya the motion kra ko say ya wo se yi Adwoa Safo free the seat ne so ene ade se ni de ensem a abetu dwa no se ene Adwoa Safo ye hunu e wo Parliament House our tour our nyamre akasa na won say ye hu Adwoa Safo our Parliament House when soon ye obi a people were talking about because say e ka development da ana ye hye emre bi wa Ghana ha for the past week e-levy Adwoa Safo ni ho iti e-levy e buy and mo fa hye mutirim say Adwoa Safo ka ho e na e-levy buy because of the two aba no tutia ya anka e-levy anye den amba do me Kwabenya muntie development bia was say cost of domi Kwabenya kwan mu no for the past year na months ni no a oni parliament no mu kan hu say o kan hu bi na sa development nya den amba because those development is on hold emre bia ya pass wo parliament ni na motions ya pass ensema ya kika empia ya mfa ne say the people of Domi Kwabenya constituency are waiting to hear, are waiting to see say then on parliamentarian beka because se maybe twemu na ye do say na ye pese ye Kevin Oforiata no se mo behwa o kan kwesiantwa patripo ama etia no opa bonte beka say let's make the spade a spade e kwa ye befa so bia ye wose ye di yi Oforiata no they will do it even it will take it will cost them to do it also abonte be kire na adwen it should show say in the constituency no man confone who say onye just an MPP by his stance as a member of Parliament. But when the Nana Akosono, Adwoa Safo de, or no, they went to me and partake. A brave who said, no, a bus snap, no, a bear snap, no, a who go for Parliament, member of Parliament, no, about TikTok, no, about to gospel, no, kakra, now, call, ni birthday, do not, ni ba a birthday, ni papa be a contact company. One talker or so a koto, a brooch forecast, a board, and the money papa, have the money panel. Yen ye sebio ye Jimmy, yan koto ni papa kano, ni niya kra no kache Ghana for say lazy no. Sadi niya bema no, uko ni fia ni papa kano krebi ni ho, ya tuto Chevrolet, Rolls Royce, Range Rover, ene egugu o mankasa omonton ade no omo promote omo. Ebusianfo Adwoa Safo ene waba. Na wo ba na wo kasa no, eye me say. Se onim say media for etuatia no, ene ye bisa say. Okay, say then amano edi aba ebusianfo enkontie nsema Adwoa Safo ekai.
The reception has been good.
Okay. And what are we expect from you now that you're back?
I'm now back and back as a member of Parliament to continue my duties, and so today's the first day, and I'm hoping that the subsequent weeks are going to be good.
Ebusianfo I okasa asem we no utumu se we no na owo inside okasa asem we no osaba abonte na ebisa say what do you have for the people of Domi Kwabenya constituency also yenti ensema mame Sarah Adwoa Safo ekan.
What do you say to your constituents? Just something brief.
I say hello to my constituents, and I thank them for being there to support and praying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Honorable, if you can just give me a word on these issues about getting your seat declared vacant. What do you say about that now that you are back?
I just came in and the reception has been good, so we take it up from there.
Kwabenya foi, wanka sorry you. I say hello. The word she has for you people is hello. Iti eya komia ko yese ye parliament na ewo no. Anasa edwane ewo ho no. Ye reasoning na ye say, you know something? They just want to use to win power. They just want to be known as MPs, members of Parliament. Because Adwoa Safo abani ebisan say, what does she have for the people of Domi Kwabenya? I think there is more for her to say. this is the time she will say something for the people to feel hey. If you have a constituency, a press conference, and now I gathering be any call for Kasa and the shepherd because so in Accra, Kwabenya is one of the biggest constituencies in Ghana. A quick show to me now when baby at the call Madina, baby a friend is saying Pantahon, it is part of Kwabenya constituency. That constituency is very big. Now, what about time? So, one number Pantan, so Kwabokobia, one of us Ghana, the development, a kitchen papa. Me can't brave no pebbles will do. Ne Jamaica ceramic girl, be cacra on. Me as be an uncompensate with Janny Cushiano, no representative of Pantan. Nama faka. Minu me home. Trot, minu me home. Waka, what faka come of that? O come off now, upon neighboring country. Once enough there. A choir yam for Oko Waliwalia. A choir yakam on a highway no. A choir for Fako on as corners the air to Guangua. I may cope me cope be pan, I may see me do pan time. That can't no head. We shall send ye and go for Sissy a dine. And a choir and yama dine at time. And go for stores. What you are crying now, Connor? Yet, and go for tons, I say, Johnny Jansa and 9 or. Because and corner so bet in us say I feel ya quiet ya. Then I don't know. I am yet to know. Then I don't really know. I am yet to know. Now wait. Nipa no sat to one way member of parliament and was saying responsibility about what nasi a lobby. Am I a drink of one yes I quino. I got to now today. And we are bet to take talk today. The position for. So what do make Kwabenya now show constituency. Now so the I add here to my MPP. So it is time we look for development. The position for me and me a brother the limo. Elikem, Kwame, American I some Adwoa Safo the kind and aha and I'm doing this. That's Sunday. This is here.
Only for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dying and a wasie and our pensions in papa a day apostle and a dying with Timona since so to a nuno and nuntiama one na aquaye bisi basa any and name their sempa and natural things a be one more and some a day a mass uncle in us to me canabra one more akache now one more MMS so how no and no and far and mau and unti for one more number it will screen no as soon as any one more in the air castle says a woman to my son intino adansi for one more atum natural things and now one more ejuma ed dance so now one to sika in good biara eda.